Namaskar, Jai Hind. Yesterday is a black chapter in the history of West Bengal. While doing her professional duty, while doing her professional commitment, a female journalist from G Media, Soma Maiti, has been brutally assaulted by the mobs. And report says the entire melodrama, the entire incident has happened in front of the police. What the police are doing? Are they mere spectators? I, as the editor of Rashtriya Prasar West Bengal, strongly condemn this act, and it is my appeal to the media fraternity that we should stand up together in such situation when our colleague has been attacked, and we should not accept this sort of thing, and we should strongly move, gang up together to protect the interest of our fellow journalists. When a journalist has been attacked, it's just not an attack on a person, it is the attack on the democracy. And my simple message to the administration is that we request very humbly that please look into the matter and take strict action against those who are involved. We really feel bad what has happened, and directly or indirectly it is a message to the, not only to the country but to the world, that India is really going through a sorry state of affairs. This is a really sorry state of affairs, and when the expression of thought is not been allowed, when the men of pen, when the media people, journalist has been attacked, so we can understand how the country will move forward. The incident happened when the lady journalist was covering a protest involved in blocking of railway tracks and the national highway. An illegal act she is covering. That time she has been attacked. Rather, I would like to say brutally attacked by the mob. Police were there around the incident site, but it's very sorry they are not able to give her initial relief. Very humbly, it is my request to the captain of the district, Honorable Kumar Saniraj sir, IPS, please look into the matter and protect the democratic rights of the people, especially the journalist, as she has been attacked yesterday. And once again, my appeal to the fraternity, entire press fraternity, it's high time that we should come up together, we should stand together, we should gang up together, so that in future such incident can be avoided, and those who are doing it purposely or for whatever reasons, they should be checked, they should be strictly dealt with. Thank you. Jai Hind.